Hey, what is going on, Oceaners? Blue Devil Overclock.net. Can you ever have too much RAM? I don't know. Hey, welcome back to the channel, Oceaners. So yeah, today we have the Team Group Vulcan TUF Alliance T-Force RAM from Team Group. This one has a yellow paint job on it on their normal Vulcan RAM, but this one is the TUF Gaming Alliance. This RAM is spec'd out at 3200 megahertz, 16, 18, 18, 38, and 1.35 volts. However, it does run at 1.2 as well too. So we're gonna throw this on the test bench again, just like the last Team Group RAM, which is the X29 Tai Chi from ASRock with the 7900X. I'm gonna run this in dual channel mode, not the quad channel mode. I'm gonna see how far it goes up to. I've seen reports of this going up to past 3600 megahertz, so this should be some decent clocking ICs.
All right, so I've already benchmarked the three benchmarks that I want to do, so 3200, 3400, and 3600. So the slide that you're looking at right now is at default stock 3200 megahertz on the TUF memory. So 16, 18, 18, 38, and command rate at 2T. So if you look over at AIDA64, we're doing pretty decent. 44960 megabytes for the read, the write 43072, the copy 4048, with a latency of 77.6 nanoseconds. So moving on to the next slide, we're looking at 3400 speeds at 47323 megabytes, the writes at 45653 megabytes, and the copy 42619. So a little bit of a substantial increase. The latency is also at 74 nanoseconds, so it went down a little bit. The next slide is at 3600 megahertz, so same timings and everything else like that. So the reads at 50893 megabytes, the write 48163, the copies at 44368, and the latency went down even more to 70.5 nanoseconds. So pretty sizable increase. Pretty satisfied with this RAM.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude my review of the TUF Gaming Alliance RAM from Team Group. Stay tuned for a build with the TUF Gaming Alliance. I know Cooler Master and Asus and Team Group have all partnered up for the TUF Gaming Alliance. So watch for a build on that one. Like I said before, I'm Blue Devil. See you in the next one.